Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia in day 128 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are continuing with exercises on the trill with 191, the scale of shakes.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So, the scale of shakes, it sounds like a ride at Universal Studios. I love it. So this one basically does these kind of endings that we're used to hearing, dum, da da dum, da da dum, da da dum, up the scale, and then we have it back down the scale. So it is pretty straightforward if you don't have your trill yet. Okay, let's talk about that. If you don't have your trill yet, I want you to feel that gentle oscillation here. Oh, you can just kind of do it right now if you go, oh. So you feel what that feels like. That's going to move. So when you do a trill, oh, what it is essentially a quick release of the stability versus the instability of the larynx. And then you have to be able to return to stability after the trill. So some people you'll hear, they essentially sound like they're trilling on every note, and that's because the larynx isn't quite stable and there's a lot of like tongue pressure. So the trill is not something you want to infuse, in your everyday sound. It is a decoration. You need to be able to come in and out of it quickly. And here is exercise 191. Oh.